Welcome to today's news, and there has been another crash landing, but it was just as the same as before, and I will show you what I am talking about. And this, see on right there, it is going crazy. It's twisting, but there's one difference of them. One did not go loose foot, and that was a good thing. Because the last time they said there has been broken legs, torn off legs, and some others. But now there has been another crash at Las Vegas airport. And it is hitting, and it made it on the runway right about here. And it's just the tires are not doing too good. Some person hijacked it. It's kind of like the 9/11, but this one was less dangerous. But look at that plane crash. That was horrible, people. And that was today's news. This movie will be a blockbuster hit. I can't wait to see it.